Hi and excuse me. Hi and welcome to exercise 7 by team 3. Freddie, Mark, Nathan, myself, and Sophie. So for 7.1 we have employee attrition and logistic regression. So this is a model equation. This is all of the data that can be used to find the model equation. Using the model equation, how well does this model perform? It performs well with a misclassification rate of only 14.08%. Are the assumptions of logistic regression met? And yes, the response variable is binary, and the big sample size is 1,470, which means that this data set meets both assumptions for the logistic regression. And then this is the GLM, so the generalized linear model. This is the fit summary and the residual plot and the assessment of sales price. And then if we look at the logistic regression, we can see that yes, they are both the same, therefore they both meet the criteria and can be used in this case. Thank you.